Hi, buddy. I'm here to teach you how to play piano. No, I'm not teaching. You know how to play piano already. I'm just gonna be there for you. I'll just show you a little bit, a few things, and then we'll play lots of games. Oh, we're gonna have so much fun. You like to have fun? Yep. So you'll have fun and you'll learn how to play piano, how to play your favorite songs. Isn't that great? But first, well, we're gonna start right now. Yeah. Why not? I'll just go over how you have to hold your hand, which is important. Don't you want to play like a pianist? Yeah. Of course, you could maybe just be rude to piano, but then I won't like it. Yeah, that makes me sad when people do that. I want to be gentle with piano, and so then it will sound so beautifully. Oh, my piano is 100 years old and I love it so much. All right, so buddy. Oh, forgot to introduce myself. My name is your tiger. Well, here we go. I'm gonna show you my hand, how I play piano. One sec. Here we are. It's like a spider. You know how the spider walks. So this is how you play piano. You play piano with the tips of your fingers. Just like that. And you don't lift your arm or your wrist. No good. No. It should be just like that. Tip, 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 tip. All right? Woohoo! So, are you ready? So just go and play. It doesn't matter what you play. Just play. Let your fingers run across the piano and just have fun. Listen to your music. You could make, well, you know what? Just do the first thing. Go and play. And then I'll be alongside with you and we're going to have fun!